Look through my eyes, see what I see.
Hey bro. Yeah, I bought a car, man.
Oh.
But yeah, it's broken.
Yeah, you buy new car but it's broken.
Long story, man. I just need you here.
Where the
Got that golden ratio, so magic.
Oi, siapa?
Early morning you call me. Early morning I come down to some random ass place in Singapore. We even dance and sing to a song. You still don't want to tell me.
No, I don't want to tell you, bro. The story very long.
How long can it be?
Okay, you know how I ended up with this guy, right? Is basically because of Arthur.
Arthur?
Yeah.
Fintail Arthur?
Fintail Arthur.
Porsche Arthur?
Porsche Arthur.
Since when you're so close?
You know we did the Fintail video, right? Then he started talking with me lah. You know, we discussed and all. Then I expressed my interest. I wanted to buy like W114. And Arthur immediately tell me, you siao, don't do such stupid thing. For some reason, he actually had this car, which he bought and he didn't even do anything with it.
So basically he poisoned you
Yeah, he poisoned me lah. So he told me that, hey Farhan, I actually have this W114. So you know what? Let me just get Arthur in. You sell a bit, then Arthur sit down, he will tell the story.
Wow, you call me to help you this and now you like that go. What the
Hey, don't angry bro, what the hell? Hello Arthur.
Hi, Farhan.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. Saw the car?
Yeah. I've seen this car for the past 2 years.
So Arthur is a big car collector, I can say.
Yeah.
So tell me more about your car collection.
Okay, I collect mainly Mercedes, German cars, Porsches. Yeah, so this is one of the car that I bought, but I don't have the time to do up the car. Maybe I tell you a bit how I landed up with this car.
Yeah, that'll be interesting.
Okay, actually I always liked this car, this model. I went to this Australia Gumtree and looked for this model.
So you found it online?
So I found one. Okay, it's a dealer from a dealer. So I bought one from the dealer. Then I thought to myself, hey, why not get another one, put inside the same container, save on the freight charges, just in case I need parts and I can just donor car. So okay, then I found the other one. So nice, I can have one container, 2 cars. But after that, the first dealer called me, gave me another car, offer that I cannot resist. So I bought another one. After that, now I need another car to put into the same container. So I bought the other one, 4.
Wow.
Yes. That's how I ended up with 4 114 CE.
Wow. That's a very interesting story.
Yeah.
Wow.
So sometimes I think, it's just too ambitious to have 4 114 CE to do up at once. So I managed to do up 2 and my friends bought it from me.
So now that I bought the W114 from you, we have decided to start building this car, and you're nice enough to be my mentor and guide me through this whole,
My
this whole
pleasure.
process. It's really nice.
Let me warn you first, Farhan. It's not going to be a smooth journey.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and you have to manage your expectation.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, do those that is critical. Those that is not critical, and if you can still drive, don't bother. It cannot be perfect. It will never be perfect.
You will never be enough.
Just live with it and you'll enjoy the car more. So yeah, I think I need to go.
Right.
I'll pass this problem to you, and hopefully you enjoy the car.
Yeah, it's my problem now.
Okay, it's your problem now.
It's my problem
Okay,
now.
see you.
Thank you for coming.
Okay.
Thank you for coming. Bye-bye.
Hey, yo, what's up?
Yeah, so now this is our problem.
Yeah, it's not a problem, it's a small problem.
You sure or not, bro?
Hopefully it's a small problem.
Hopefully it's a small problem. That day I talked to you, you tell me what engine sees or who not scared, bro.
Big problem is not good for you or me lah.
Yeah lah. The thing about this car is, like I told you lah, I want to get it running. I want to do it properly in a certain aspect where, at least it's done nicely. We document the thing, we show people how is it supposed to be, how is it not supposed to be. So can you share with me some of your experiences when you're building this type of old Mercedes?
The worst one I had was a Mercedes Ponton. So it's a W108. That era of Mercedes are very hard to get spare parts. So there are even small little lands here, a lot of engine parts, all cannot buy. I think this is a good start. It's quite new. I mean, compared to the other cars I do.
So the condition is not too bad?
It's not that bad. It's not that bad. The rust is not that bad. You can see that the body still got the curve. It looks like it's kept indoors.
Yeah.
If it was kept outdoors, right, the rust would be a lot worse. And just now I popped the bonnet. I think the engine, all that is still not too bad. It looks like it can turn. So later we'll try to turn it over by hand. See whether there's any, is it seized or what. Hopefully it's okay. Yeah. The first thing is for all classic car projects, what we want to get is that the car must be mechanically running. It may not need to run well.
So at least it's alive,
It's alive, you can drive around, we're happy, you can test the car. Okay, maybe you overheat, maybe there's some sound here and there, maybe the carburetor not working very well, but at least we can drive.
But at least it's alive.
At least it's alive. Then that first time will always give the workshop team and the owner a lot of motivation.
Yes.
Finally.
I honestly can't wait for that day. Alright bro, thank you so much for taking my first project. I really appreciate it. As in Classic Motorworks, I think you guys will do a really good job. I asked around, everyone told me that I should come to your shop. So thank you bro.
No problem. We are happy to work on this like a team project.
So now it's a problem bro?
No bro, it's a team project bro. What is this? Wow, these two guys keep disturbing me. I must give them one time good one. Hey, stop. Hey, what do you do inside?
Nothing bro, I just crank only.
Wow, jialat, the behind the sound.